Hey guys, how you doing? Well, today we're talking about the capo. I put in the title that you can sing any song. That's partially true, because if the song you're singing has 3 octaves, the one you want to sing, and you have 2, obviously you have to work on your range. But if it's within your stretch of your voice, 2 octaves, 2.5, of course you can sing any song you want using the capo. So the little percentage that you can't is about how much range it has. The high note really does not matter. And first of all, the capo is not cheating. If you have bar chords in the song, when you put a capo, you still have bar chords. If you have bar chords and you put the capo to go open strings, you still have to memorize a bunch of other chords in order to play. But strictly, the capo is not about what you're playing on the guitar, guys. It's about using it for singing. Because so many people find their favorite song, and when they try to sing it, they say it's too high or it's too low for me. And here comes the capo. Just sing it when you're comfortable, where you're comfortable. Many people see that A4 on the 4th octave. I'll put diagrams here and explain, even if you don't know any notes. It's quite simple. So that A4, I'm singing it 1 octave down. A3, that's too low. 4 notes higher would be perfect for me. And that's where you put on the 4th fret in order to get it. Now, first, let's see how we figure out the high note of the song. You're gonna be either listening to the song, and if you know the notes on your guitar, E, F, F sharp, etc., then if you can hear the high note, that's perfect. If not, get a guitar tuner. It's an application on your phone or a regular guitar tuner in reality, and hold it close to the speaker when the singer is singing, and you will see the highest note, and then you'll know what we're going to learn later, how to do it. Now, be careful. Sometimes the ear tricks us a little bit. For example, Frank Sinatra, I Did It My Way. The high note, many people think it's the ending. And did it my way. That's not the highest note. It's actually a little bit before that. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it all and that end, that is the highest note. So be a little bit careful. If you don't know and you can't do it like that either, just go on ChatGPT or Google and say, this song, which is the highest note? Yeah, I've been waiting so long to tell you the easiest way. But the other 2 ways are a little bit better for ear training. Now, let's start with this example. I like a song that is high note E on the 4th octave. Okay, for some baritones like me, E might be too high for a soft song. So I want to take it, for example, instead of singing on the E4, and then either doing it 1 octave lower, the high to be an E3, which that's not a high note. So I just need to pull it a little bit higher to the A3. So we're counting A, B, C, D, E, that's the high note of the song, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. So that's 5 notes. Take your capo and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go, the highest note. Now it's the A3 that you wanted. And if you want it a little bit higher, I wouldn't suggest going higher from the 7th fret, because then the guitar starts sounding like a ukulele. Stick around, because I'll explain you how to go a few notes back. This is when you want to go higher. Let's go with an example now. I like a Greek song that it's on the A3, which is a little bit lower for the passion of it, and I want it to go higher. So that's fine there, but I want to go with my high note on the C4, right in the middle. A sharp, B, C. That's exactly 3 notes until we reach the note that we want to be our high note. So I go 1, 2, 3. And then we have and we're right there. Another song of Johnny Cash, The Ring of Fire. It goes up to the A, and I wanted to get it on C. I count again, A sharp, B, C, and I put it on the 3rd fret. That's how we count, okay? Now, this is very, very important. You will find songs that are so far away or so close to the note you want. So again, I'll take the E4 for an example, and you want it on a D4. That's just 2 notes apart. You're not gonna count all the way up and go to your 8th, 9th fret. That will sound like a little ukulele and very high pitched. So if you want from the E4 to go to the D4, throw away the capo and just untune your guitar 2 notes lower. And there you go. Sing any song you like and have fun with it. You don't have to perform anywhere, but you have to feel beautiful inside and comfortable to sing your own key. It's not cheating. It's adapting to your voice and to the song to express it the way you like with your unique voice. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. God bless.